Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a very simple cardigan made with Scarfie yarn. If you're new to my channel, my name is Wilma and I share free crochet patterns on my blog and YouTube channel. If you like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell button. This way you will get notifications when I upload new patterns. For this cardigan you will need 2 balls of Scarfie yarn and crochet hook size 10mm. In this video I will make a size small medium, but this pattern is available in size S to 5XL and I highly suggest to check out the free written pattern on my website. I will put a link in the description below, because here you can find how many stitches you need to make for each size. So let's start! Start with chaining 127. Start in the 4th chain from your hook. Work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch. What we are now going to do till the end of the row is we skip 2 chains and then work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in the next chain. Repeat across and I will see you there. Row 2 till 8 we will start with a chain 3 and then work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in each chain space across. At the end of a row you turn your work and repeat this till the end of row 8. I will see you there. Row 9 and 10 we will start with a chain 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in the next 21 chain spaces. That means we only work halfway. So when we are halfway, we chain 3, we turn our work and work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next 21 chain spaces. Row 11, we will chain 3, work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in the next 21 chain spaces. And instead of turning our work here, we are now going to chain 66. Turn your work and in the 4th chain from your hook, make a double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch. And just as we did in the beginning, we skip 2 chains and then in the next chain we work a 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat till the end of the chains. Skip the last 2 chains and continue working in the chain spaces. So we make 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in each chain space across. Row 13 till 19, we will chain 3, work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in each chain space across. I will see you at the end of row 19. All that's left now is sewing both sides. Now fold the cardigan in half, matching both sides, and we are going to use single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and work 1 single crochet stitch in the first space, and then work 2 single crochet stitches in each chain 2 space and 1 single crochet stitch in between the spaces. Begin at the bottom, working up your way, but make sure to leave open 7 inches for the armhole. Do this on both sides and then fold your cardigan inside out. This way the seam will be on the inside of your work and not visible on the outside. The next thing I'm going to do is optional. You can perfectly wear the cardigan like this, but if you prefer the front panel to be wider, you can add a simple collar as following. Join yarn at the side seam of the front panel. Chain 3, work 2 double crochet stitches in each chain 2 space all the way across to the other side. After row 1, you turn your work, chain 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch across. Repeat the row as many times as you want. Personally, I only made 3 rows of double crochet stitches in total, but if you'd like the collar to be bigger, you can repeat this row as many times as you want. And that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!